What's up, Santa Fe Elementary? This is Jackson and Mrs. Rhoten, and we are here for another edition of Math Games in the Dining Room. Today we're going to be playing a game called Target Number. And for this game, all you need is a deck of cards, something to write on, just scratch paper is fine, and something to write with. We're going to use a marker today. Before I forget, if you do not have cards, you can play this game by going to random.org on your computer, your iPad, your phone, and you are able to generate cards from there. We have a deck of cards, so we're going to be using a deck today. We've already taken out our face cards, so we don't need jacks, queens, and kings or jokers. And we're going to be using our aces as ones today. All right, let's go ahead and get started, Jackson. Would you go ahead and deal us? Oh, by the way, this game can incorporate all four different, what am I trying to say? Operations. And we are trying to spell the word target. The first one to spell the word target is going to be our winner. So go ahead, Jackson. Would you go ahead and deal each person 3 cards? 2, 3, 3. And then flip over the next one. That's going to be our target number in the middle, which is a 3. All right, so we're going to go ahead and turn our cards over. All right, I have a 6, a 4, and a 7. Can I make 3? Yes, I can. I have to use all 3 cards, and I can move them around in any order that I like. But I could add 6 plus 4 is 10 minus 7 is equal to the target number 3. Jackson, can you, oh, and I would get a T on my page. Could you write it for me, Jackson, since I'm holding the camera? All right. So I would get a T on my page. Again, ooh, I like that. It's upside down. All right. So Jackson, can you make the target number 3? How?
10 minus 8 equals 2 plus 1 equals 3.
All right, so you are able to put a T on your side of the page. All right, right now we are even. All right, let's go ahead and sweep the cards, Jackson. Get those out of the way. And we're going to deal another round. 3 cards again to each player. And again, you can use any operation. And then 1 over in the middle, that is our target number, which is 4 this time. All right. I can make the target number 4. I could do 4 times 10 is 40, divided by 10 is 4. So can you go ahead and give me an A? Mm-hmm. Lay your cards down because we're going to look at yours next. Thank you. All right, so I have a T and an A. I'm spelling the word target. All right, Jackson, can you spread yours out so we can see them? Okay, the target number is 4. You have a 9, a 1, and a 10. Can you make the target number?
Nope.
All right, so you cannot. So you're not able to write the A, so that just means that I'm 1 letter ahead of you right now, right? Okay, can you go ahead and sweep the cards? Let's try another round, but this time we're going to show you what happens if you are not able, neither one of you is able to make the target number. So just throw them over there for now, Jackson. Thank you for trying to be so neat. Okay, so go ahead and deal 3 cards to each of us, just like we've been doing. All right, and then a target number in the middle. Our target number is 6 this time. Now, we're going to pretend like we are not able to make the target number 6. Even if we can, just pretend like we can't. If neither one of us can make the target number, do you remember what we're going to do, Jackson? Mm-hmm. What?
We deal another card.
Yes. Would you go ahead and deal us each another card? Okay, so now we have 4 cards to choose from. Again, we're only going to use 3 of them, but now we have a little more choices to try and make that target number. So if we can, great. We use 3 of the cards, we can make the target number. We'll get another letter. If not, we can deal another card, Jackson. If we still, neither one of us can make it, deal us 1 more card. And we would now have 5 cards to choose from. Again, we can only use 3 of them. We have to use at least 3, or not at least, we have to use exactly 3 of them to make that target number. Hopefully one of us can make the target number by then and we're able to get a letter. If not, you would continue. So this is just a really good game of thinking about all 4 operations and how we can use them. Now the younger kiddos, if they're not into multiplication and division yet, they can just use addition and subtraction. But again, if you don't have cards, go to random.org and it will deal cards for you. If you have more than 1 deck of cards, I would even suggest putting 2 decks together to make it a little bit easier to not have to shuffle so often. So anyway, we hope you liked our target number game this evening. We hope you try it out at home and let us know how you did. All right. Thank you. We'll see you next time.